Hello friends, today we will learn about biopesticides. A pesticide is any substance used to kill, repel or control certain form of plants and animal life that are considered to be pest. They are meant for attracting, seducing and then destroying any pest. Pesticides possess two types of effect. One is biotic effect and other is abiotic effect. Biotic effect residues soil, air, water and food. Abiotic effect residues can be seen in plants and mammals and other organisms. In plants, phytotoxicity residues vegetation changes. In mammals, other organisms like physiological deformities, diseases, mortality, population changes, genetic disorders. Now, let's know about the history. Nicotine was used to control plum beetles as early as in the 17th century. Bacillus thuringiensis was isolated from a diseased skill worm. It is the Bt pathogen. It is the Bt pathogen. Bt means Bacillus thuringiensis. The first commercially available Bt product was Sporin, appeared in France in 1938. Now let's know about biopesticides extraction. Bio, biopesticide, first I will tell about biopesticide, then extracted form. Pyrethrum, from pyrethrum, chrysanthemum is obtained, extracted. Azar, azar, Azadirachitta, that is from neem, extracted from neem. Virus, that is nucleopolyhedrosis virus, and fungi, it is from Beauveria species. Now transgenic plant, from transgenic plant, that is extracted, that is the form Bt cotton, Bt tomato, Bt potato, all are available. Now let's know about the advantages of Bt resistant plants. Safe to mammals and other non-target organisms. First point. Second is environment compatibility. Third is target specificity. Fourth is lower exposure to pest. Fifth point is supplemental role to chemical pesticides, enabling their use in integrated pest management and acceptability for use in organic agriculture. Now let's know about biochemical pesticides. Naturally occurring substance that control pest by non-toxic mechanisms is called biochemical pesticides. It inactivates pest. Example, pheromone trap. It attracts pest. Now let's know about microbial pesticides. It consists of a microorganism, example bacterium, fungus, virus of protozoan as the active ingredients. Now let's know about plant incorporated protectants. Pesticidal substances that plants produce from genetic material that has been added to the plant. Now let's know about RNAi. RNAi means the RNA interference pesticides. Some of these topical and some of them are observed by the crop. Now let's know about entomopathogenic entomopathogenic fungi or Beauveria bassiana. Plant disease control agents, that is Trichodermata species, and beneficial nematodes attacking insect. Second is insect pheromones and other semiochemicals. Third point is fermentation products such as spinosad, that is a microcyclic lactone. Fifth point is chitosan. A plant in the presence of this product will naturally induce systemic resistance to allow the plant to defend itself against diseases, pathogens and pests. It may include natural plant derived products, that is alkaloids, terpenoids, phenolics, other secondary chemicals. Now let's know about vegetable oil. Canola oil have pesticidal effect. Extracts of plants, that is garlic, naturally occurring minerals, that is baking soda, a stain called Agrobacterium radiobacter, Stacby is a naturally occurring biopesticide found in soil. Now let's know about Bacillus species. Bacillus subtilis, it's a soil bacteria, and Coniotherium minitans, that is naturally occurring fungus, Bacillomyces facile. Now Trichoderma species, Beveria bassiana, that is soil fungus, white mold, Azadirachtin is a insect growth regulator called bioneem. Now let's know about application of biopesticides. Pre-harvest interval. First is pre-harvest interval, the ability to use under moderate to severe disease pressure. The ability to use as a tank mix or the rotational program with other registered fungicides. Now let's know about the advantages of uses of biopesticides. Biopesticides are usually inherently less toxic than conventional pesticides. No harmful residues are detected. Second point is biopesticides generally affect only the target pest and closely related organisms. In contrast to broad spectrum conventional pesticides that may affect organisms as different as birds, insects and mammals. It decomposes quickly, resulting in lower exposure and largely avoiding the pollution problems caused by conventional pesticides. When used, next point is when used as a component of integrated pest management IPM programs, pesticides can greatly reduce the use of conventional pesticides while crop yields are good. Next point is they are biodegradable and may be cheaper than chemical pesticides when locally produced. Its disadvantage. Let's know about the disadvantages of biopesticides. Only one disadvantage is biopesticides are high specific and may require an extract identification of the pest or pathogen and the weed. Thank you.